Hey Rick, did you see the new commercial on TV for the Bushwhacker?
Do you like sawdust?
I mean like tons of sawdust. Then you are gonna love the Bushwhacker by Braxton Creek. Every Braxton Creek Bushwhacker weighs 1,300 pounds. 1,200 pounds of that is sawdust. Where does it come from? Nobody knows. Not into sawdust so much? Don't worry, we mix metal filings in there that'll rain down for years to come. Like entertainment? How about a radio that works all the time, some of the time? I think the sawdust turns it on. Every Braxton Creek Bushwhacker comes with a 526-foot high-pressure hose because in these times of COVID, who wants to be able to wash their hands? Or a fake refrigerator that'll make you sick. Every Bushwhacker comes with a multi-stage heating system. The first stage is the exorbitant amount of exercise it takes to be able to turn the switch on. If for some reason you're able to get through our first security mechanism, don't worry, heat's not coming. Your sail switch is going to be clogged with pet hair. Don't have a pet? Don't worry, because we have thousands of feral cats running our facility to guarantee there's pet hair. There's no time to wait. Make sure you come on down and get yourself a brand new Bushwhacker. Here at Braxton Creek, we know that making a teardrop involves cutting corners. Okay, so I guess I have too much free time on my hands, but you guys know I'm just having fun. I love my trailer. It's just a love-hate relationship. Now, DIY Outdoor Life is on our 1-year anniversary. We just launched this time last year. So I'm so excited and humbled by all of the people that are coming out to like, comment on the videos, and subscribe to the channel. People are supporting us through the PayPal and the Buy Me a Coffee. It's really exciting to get a lot of people on board with the project we're working on. We are launching a website. We got some DIY Outdoor Life merch. Pretty exciting stuff coming up. I'm going to be linking to that pretty soon. Special thanks to the Bushwhacker Facebook group. Those people have supported the project I'm working on, and they're also a resource that helps me troubleshoot the things that I'm doing on my camper. So it's been a really exciting year. I'm hoping that next year is just as much fun as this one. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Hey Ripple, not bad, huh?